Hi, in this video we will see how does DATEADD function works in Tableau. So for that I'll be using the sample superstore dataset. For using this function, first we have to create one calculation field. And first name the title. We have to type DATEADD. So Tableau will automatically recommend you the date function, which is you have to click on DATEADD. And then also we can see on the right side there is one little definition. So DATEADD function used as a to add some interval into your original date. So here we can see the example. The dated function first is the date part. So which is the date part is could be the, according to your day, month, or the quarter. So in the example we can see it used month and the interval. So up to what you want to add intervals and the date. So date part I'm gonna using the month. Interval I'll use 3, and I'll use the date as order date, which is present in our data set. That I'll click on apply and OK. And then if you want to see the changes between the order date and our the dated function, so I'll put the order date into the row and I'll click on the exact date, and after that I'll again click on the drop down and I'll click on the discrete, and then again I'll take this dated function which we have just created, and then click on drop down, click set date, and it will take some time. So after that click on discrete. So now we can see, so here we can see the order date, it is the 3/1/2014, and in the dated function that we have just used to create this date add field, it is showing 3/4/2014. So we use the date part as a month, and I have put the interval as a 3. So we can say here it is increased the interval of each month by 3. So here it is 1, and the in the dated function it is 4. And if we scroll down, and if we see the month February, which is 2, so the dated function it is increased by 5. So it added the plus 3. So we can see here, if we scroll down below further, so if we see in the month of March, which is 3, and in dated function it is 6, so it is also increased by 3 over here. So it is how we can use the dated function in Tableau to add some more interval into our original date. So thanks, and stay tuned for more.